My name is Eddie. First of all, I want to thank everybody's presence right here because I'm encouraged by everyone's presence right here. Tonight, as we gather here to celebrate life, to celebrate love and compassion in all our communities, I just want to share with all of you that there are people out here who's out on the street 24/7 trying to save lives in our community. I just want my brothers and sisters who have the yellow armbands, who's working in the community, to raise their hand. Raise your hand, brothers and sisters. Those are the brothers who are from the African American community, the Latinos community, the Asian and Pacific Islands community, standing in solidarity every day on these streets in San Francisco to prevent violence from happening. What we don't want is fighting against each other. What we don't want is people using the divide and conquer method to separate our community. That's what we do not want. What we do not want is to continue to have the schools as the pipeline to the prison industrial complex. That's what we don't want to do. That's why we are gathered here together in solidarity. It's not about when something happened to the Chinese community that we come over here together. Every time when there's something happen in the community, when there's violence, when lives are being lost, everybody needs to be there. Not just the African American taking care of their own business, but everybody, the whites, the blacks, the Latinos, any humans that are occupying this space on this earth, humankind, needs to be here. All I got to say is, power to the people! Power to the people! And I let Kendra speak.